Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany. I will now show you our headlamp tester TW SWE-A. We will now show you how the device works in principle. First of all, to do this we need the angle of inclination for the vehicle headlights. This value is usually indicated on the door frame or also directly on the vehicle headlights. The angle of inclination briefly explained. Starting at the headlight, we determine a distance of 10 meters and draw a horizontal line starting from the middle of the headlight. For better visibility we will change the proportions here. The distance between the upper edge of the light beam and the horizontal line is called E. This is the value that is appropriate for the vehicle and that must be set in the headlight adjustment device. As an alternative to the E value, the inclination can also be indicated as a percentage, as in our case. This results then from the formula of the height difference divided by the distance times 100%. We now set the given 1%. Using the thread visor, we now check whether the headlight adjustment device is also at the correct angle to the vehicle. The thread must intersect 2 symmetrical points on the vehicle. In our case, for example, the upper edge of the headlight lamp. Now position the headlight adjustment device in front of the headlight and adjust the height of the device. The middle of the device's entry opening must be at the same height as the headlamp that will be measured. You can do the alignment by sight, as long as you do not deviate more than 3 centimeters from the center of the headlight, neither in height nor in width. At this point, it must be also mentioned that the distance between the headlight adjustment device and the headlight must be between 30 and 70 centimeters. For an automobile meant for right-hand traffic we see a light beam that should be flush with the dashed, horizontal line on the left side. Starting at the center, the light beam may edge upwards slightly towards the right at a 15-degree bend angle aligned to the upper line. The reverse situation applies to left-hand traffic. For high beams, an oval light beam emerges, the center of which should be on the upper cross, and with fog lights, the light beam should not go over the baseline. We will then also check the luminous intensity. The luminous intensity between the 2 headlights may differ by a maximum of 20%. We will also check whether the alignment is still okay on the other side, and check the distribution of brightness and the luminous intensity. The headlight adjustment device SWE-A by TWIN BUSCH is suitable for automobiles with LED lights, xenon, and halogen lights.